Charlie. What's up, Charlie? Go, 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 please. There's a stick in there. Play. Hello, chickies. Where's Savannah? Oh, she died just because this mother goes to prison every day because she killed his chick every day. Hi, Charlie. Where's Skippy, Charlie? You'll go outside, Charlie. What the heck? All the plants you guys are safe. There's a broom for the chickens. Yeah, it feels good. This windy day is so good too. Look at this view out there. Look at this view of windy days. There's a bad sheep. No, I don't know what to do. Look at it. Coconut. Goodbye, guys, to the windy day.